All right, Karan, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is your host, Shubhajit. First of all, many congratulations. And I think it's about 9 years later that you guys are coming up with this one. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the exact
Uh,
time duration, right?
yes, it is. It is.
Yes.
Only
So it must be, yeah. So it must be like a huge change in the entire dynamic shift because 2012 and cut to 2021, almost like 10 years. Your life has changed. Surbhi's life has changed. Everything
yeah.
has changed around you. Both have become bigger stars compared to what you were back then. So when you guys were working with this one, obviously it's like continuing from where you left the last time. But also, what were the changes that you probably saw with respect to each other's bonding, and also probably with respect to the environment that was there back in say 2012? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of changes must have been there.
This actually is a 2021 version of the show.
Yeah,
The characters are the same. My character
yeah.
is the same. The backstory is the same.
Asad, yeah,
Yeah,
right.
and my family is the same.
Yeah,
Zoya's character is the same, but her back story and all her family is is different completely.
yeah,
So in a
yeah,
different universe with the same characters. So uh,
yeah,
everything has changed. Everything.
yeah,
Um,
yeah,
but working with Surbhi, I mean, she's been a very close friend since then, and we've been in touch not every day,
yeah,
but on and off.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
there was no. It's being called a bigger star or somebody who's
yeah,
done well is
yeah,
only from the point of view of the audience and also because of the audience. Um,
yeah,
all we can do from our end is be better at being ourselves and being better human beings and evolve in that way. And then your art will probably show that as well.
yeah,
Working with Surbhi was exactly the same. It felt like,
yeah,
even though there's no continuation of story or anything like that,
yeah,
it's a completely
yeah.
different story. It felt the same. It felt like we shot yesterday and now we're
Yeah.
shooting. She's was a jackass. She's still a jackass now.
Yeah.
So it's like, no, I'm kidding. No, I
But
just
no,
funny.
no, that's only fair when you have been friends for so long. But
No, it was
you
her
know,
first show with me. That Kugule
yeah,
was her first show with me. So, she's
yeah.
used to me saying things.
And she'll definitely not mind when you see things in the future as well. But
Yeah.
obviously the last time it was like in the form of a TV soap. So the treatment in a TV soap is different compared to what the treatment is like, say, in a web series. Because in a TV soap you have the liberty to probably time out certain things a lot more compared to the space that you have in web series. Only 10 episodes, itne hi duration honge, so fatapat you got to put it up. So what was the difference that you probably saw in terms of the treatment that was given to the second season?
See, the actual creator of the show, Gul,
Yeah,
um,
yeah,
in 2013, she's the reason why the show was what it was. She's the reason why the characters were what they were because
yeah, yeah,
she is a master creator and she's
yeah,
somebody who evolves like on a daily basis and she wants to do new things and her mind works in various different ways and it's
yeah,
like it's always a learning experience doing anything with her. Even spending time
yeah,
with her, you learn something or
yeah,
the other, even
yeah,
though she's
yeah,
trying to do anything. So
yeah,
her treatment is always like a film. She never thinks of anything um, lesser than or greater than. There is a quality to her that she maintains. She cannot settle for 99.99%. She needs 100.
okay,
So in every aspect, and that's why the show was what it was. Yeah,
yeah,
I mean, it's not a, it's not. It's actually the other way around when you said that 10 episode in a story खत्म करना because देखा जाए तो they're all our stories have a beginning and a middle and an end except
yeah,
for ones on television where they have a beginning and they have a very long middle and then they
yeah,
I don't know, might have an end
yeah,
or not. So
yeah,
it's like it's better for I think the creative world to be making things now and
yeah,
also to be making things in short spurts. I think that's you're a creative person. I'm sure you understand that there is. It's best to have a finite project and then refresh yourself and then move to the next instead of the same thing over and over again, because then we get stuck in an autopilot that we actually started our lives to run away from. That's why we are different from other people. We're creative and people are not. So it's like that's the reason we need to keep that alive. So.
I think you answered the question in a really interesting fashion, because when you say that
So, sorry, I have a habit of digressing whenever I'm asked anything. So if I do and I don't answer your question, you please tell me. I'll do it.
No, you did, because when you mentioned that she doesn't settle for anything less than 100%, I think that itself speaks more than half of the answer that I'm probably looking forward to. So you did do that, but you also touched upon certain important aspects which I didn't ask, but it's obviously lovely to hear that. I want to know that the shooting of this thing happened in really, really amazing locations. But the difference this time was that the world has been struck by a very I would say scary pandemic, and you guys shot it outside. I believe the shooting happened at a time, and it's still there. Obviously, the pandemic is still there. So when you were actually working at the same time, did you have any nerves going? Ki nahi yaar, bahar aa rahe, we are traveling so much. This that. What was the environment like in the sets in terms of the overall motivation?
Firstly, though, I believe that the world is not being struck by something. This is a collective creation of all. We all human beings collectively created this, so we're not victims to it. We are the creators of it. So once you have that understanding, there was two emotions, very strong emotions when we knew that we were going to shoot. Because first was like a bright ball of light, because the world before that is being so weird and everything is so strange now, and we see this beautiful thing that is something that was, you were a part of that creation, and it's coming back, so you know that the world is going to be fine. And there's another feeling that there is, no matter how insignificant you want to make it, but it is there, the virus, and you might get infected and you might bring it back to your family. That's something that is not acceptable by anybody, but we did take all precautions necessary, and we started in Serbia, in Belgrade and Novi Sad, and it's a long flight from Bombay to Dubai and Dubai to Belgrade. We did take all precautions and followed all the norms, and did our mandatory tests every 10 days. And I still got it by the end of it. So,
but at the end of the day, all is well that ends well. I mean, if you're ending on a good note, and it's just about to stream, day after, so if it's all fine at the end of the day. But lovely talking to you for the first time. I wish you all the best for this one, and also everything that you do in the future. Take care, stay safe, God bless, and looking forward to see you a lot more in the future. Thank you so much.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you. And that's a Bengali namaskar to end with.
Onek dhonyabad.
Onek dhonyabad. Thank you.